baby milk?
I don't know. No, that was really graceful. Oh. Come up here and see me.
What?
Come see me. Come up here.
My dog.
Rachel Mary Ruth Mason, come here. Rachel.
My dog wants to come up there.
Come up here and see me.
What?
Come see me. Smarty pants. Why are you bringing the dog up here?
Because I want to.
Whoa.
This is my dog.
Oh, he's beautiful. Can you show the camera?
What?
Can you show the camera your dog?
Yeah.
Here. What's his name?
Dog.
Oh, hi dog. What did you do that for?
What?
No. Here, come here. Come see me. Ow! Oh, very nice. Oh my gosh, no! Yay! Hey, quit! Things a lot.
You're welcome.
Whoa. Whoa.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you? Oh, whoa.
Ah.
Say
Cheese.
hi.
Hi. Bye.
Bye.
Cheese.